Another SVR.
The National Weather Service in Norman has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Lincoln County and central Oklahoma until 9:15 p.m. Central Standard Time. At 8:33 p.m. Central Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 4 miles east of Davenport, moving northeast at 45 miles an hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Stroud, Davenport, Kendrick, and Avery. A tornado watch remains in effect for the ward. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.